So as to change the virtual location of your iPhone, you need to make use of a software called Fones Go that comes from the house of iToolab. The software is available for both Windows and Mac, and the link to the software is in the description down below, so don't forget to check that out. Once install and run the software, click on Start to get started. Next up, choose your OS type, iOS or Android. For this video, since I have an iPhone, I need to connect my iPhone to Mac so that the software recognizes it. And once it shows up here, select it and tap Next. Once it loads up, on the top right, you get to see other location changing modes that the software has to offer. And in this video, I'll take you through all 5 of them. By using the first tool to change the location, you can either tap any place on the map, or you can make use of the search bar present on the top left and search the name of any country, any state, and even the name of any city that you can think of. For this video, let me type Las Vegas. Once done, tap Go. And as an outcome, you'll see the effect of change in location not only on your Mac's screen but also in the real-time location of a Snapchat map. Like previously, the map showed that I was in India, and now my virtual location has moved to Las Vegas. So that's how it works. This tool helps one change location from point A to point B. And while using this one, along with your current location, you need to select one more location on the map for the software to take it as an endpoint. Once done, before you click Go, you can play with certain settings like change the number of loops, tick or untick the realistic speed option, and just after you click Go, you'll see the change in location happening from point A to point B, not only on your Mac's screen, but also you can see the virtual U move in the same directional path. Also, you can even adjust the speed of the movement, which will show an immediate effect. And in case you want to catch some Pokémons, you can click here and then further tap the pause option and catch them up. The third tool for spoofing the location is the multiple spot movement, which means that you can absolutely customize your route in real time. So from the point of start, just go ahead by tapping on different lanes, cities, states or countries in such a way that it creates a sort of route. And once you're done creating a route, before you click Go, you can as usual play with certain settings like change the loop number, tick or untick the realistic speed option, and finally click Go. As an outcome, you'll not only see your iPhone's location getting changed but also see the virtual U moving in the same way, which is actually pretty cool. Moreover, increasing or decreasing the speed will show an immediate effect. By making use of this tool, you can make your avatar jump and teleport to the next chosen location without changing it manually. To make use of it, first off, on the map, you need to start tapping the places that not only you would like your avatar to teleport to, but also so that the software takes it as one of the locations. Once done, tap Go. And here you will be prompted with a message. If you don't tick the box and tap Go, you will have to change the location manually by tapping the next button again and again. And if you tick the box and then tap Go, the location will change instantly after your avatar reaches the previous location. Along with all these location changing tools, the software also features the option to import a GPX file from your Mac or PC and use it to change the location. What's really unique about the software is that you can even make use of the virtual joystick present over here to change the direction of your avatar no matter what mode you are using. You can even use it to play or pause the movement of yours. Just in case, at any point of time, if you wish to get back to your default real-life location, all you need to do is tap the icon present over here, and doing that will bring it back to your real-life location. Now go ahead and give the Fones Go software a try. And if you found the video useful, drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. See you in the next one.